In this session, we will be understanding the conditional statement in Python, which is if else. And if we have more than one condition, in that case, we have to use elif. So let's understand the syntax for if else. And the syntax is first, we have to write if, then the condition, body of this if, and we have to use exact four spaces: one, two, three, four, four spaces. And then we can put the body, whatever we want to print inside this condition. Let's say in this case, I'm going to print hello and the else part, else, body of else, let's say print by. So this is the syntax for if else condition. And now you need to understand how exactly it works. So for example, uh, in this if we have the condition. If the condition is true, it will directly execute the body of if, which is print hello. If the condition of if is false, then it will directly execute the body of else, which is by. Now, what exactly is condition? What type of condition would be? So let's understand the condition. So let's take one example. Suppose we have 3 less than 5. First, we need to understand the condition. So here you can see 3 less than 5. The condition is true. So as I said before, if the condition is true, it will directly execute the body of if, which is hello. In this case, we have hello. The condition is true. It will come into the body of if and it will print hello. And suppose we have 13 less than 5. So 13 less than 5, the condition is false. So if the condition is false, it will directly execute the body of else and it will print by. So this is what is the if else conditional statement in Python. And now in this case, you can see we have one condition and we have followed one else. Now, suppose we have more than one condition. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to use elif. Instead of else, if we have more than one condition, in that case, we have to use else. So let's take one example for else. Elif, let's say 5 greater than 13. You can see the condition is still false. Print. Now let's say, how are you? Let's take one more if, elif. Let's say 10 greater than 1. Now in this case, I'm going to print hey, and the last one, the else part. Else will print, let's say take care. Now we need to understand this thing, like how exactly it will works. First, it will execute this statement 13 less than 5. The condition is false. It will discard this particular statement. Now it will continue to the next statement, which is elif. Elif 5 greater than 13. Again, this is false. It will go to the next condition. Elif 10 greater than 1. So the condition is true. Now in this case, this entire code, it will print hey. Now suppose we have 11 here. Now, how exactly this will work in this case? First, it will check for this 13 less than 5. Condition is false. It will continue to the next elif. 5 greater than 13. Condition is false. Will continue to the next elif. 10 greater than 11. Condition is false. Now it will directly execute the else statement. In that, what we have taken in this condition, we have considered print take care. So in this case, this will print only take care. So you need to remember one thing, else will only execute when all if and elif condition are false. Then only else condition will be executed. So you need to understand this code very, very closely. And this is what you need to understand in this conditional statement.